Hey there, this is Kelly Leahy, and in this short video, I'm explaining how to use an add-on on your Google Forms called Form Notifications. And that will allow you to get an email every time somebody completes a form so that you don't actually have to go to the spreadsheet every time, and you can kind of track how people are completing your form. In this case, the example is signups for a club. So you open up your form, you come over to the three dots that said more, and you go down the menu till you see the word add-ons. I click on add-ons, and there's a search tool. So I click in there and I type in form notifications. Click on form notifications. That first choice is the one that I use. I click on that. I choose install, continue, make sure I choose the account that I want it associated with, and I choose allow. Now I'm finished and I'm going to actually use it. So I close this up, and up here is this little puzzle piece. This is my add-ons area. I click on that. I choose form notifications, and this is where I set up how I want to be notified. So I click open, and I am going to switch this on. If it's toggled off like this, all you have to do is click on it, and then that's a signal that you want the notification. You put your email address that you want it sent to, and then you tell the system how how many forms you want completed before the system responds. So I want it after each one, so I'm typing 1, but maybe you want it after every 5. Doesn't matter, the system will take whatever number you want. And then you could, if you wanted, switch this on to send a thank you email, but I'm not really interested in that because this is just a club. And I click on Save Configuration. And now I close. And now when my form is being used and somebody clicks at the bottom and says submit, the system will email me a notification that somebody has completed my form, so I can keep track without having to go back to the form or the spreadsheet that the form generates. Hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.